Hello dear friends, this is Anwar Ali from Technocademia, and today we are going to discuss how you can receive your AdSense address pin verification more quicker and on time. Sometimes Google take almost 2 to 4 weeks to send you your verification code, your PIN code, personal identification number, and your mailing address. But sometimes it took very long, and even with third and fourth try, you cannot receive your AdSense PIN. What's the reason and why you did not receive it, and how to receive it more quicker than before? I'm going to do something here. Just see, it's my Google AdSense account, and I didn't receive my PIN. It's almost 2 to 3 weeks that I didn't receive. I hope I will receive, but what I did here, exactly do what I did here. I'm just going to tell you where to do it to receive it quickly. Sometimes we make a mistake in our address. Like, this is my address, okay, and this address I added my phone number now. I just edited my address and add my phone number now. So if any post office just get my PIN code, and when they see here's my address and my name, but they don't have my number to contact, they don't have my contact number, so sometimes they just throw it to dustbin, and I just give it back and send it back, because they don't have any way to contact you and they cannot reach to your address, something like that. But if you put your number and your address and the second address line, then you will receive it more quickly. Because if an post office member, a mailing a post member just get your parcel from Google AdSense, and when they look and they cannot reach to your address, they'll just call you that where is your address and where I can send it and how you can receive it. I can ask you and I can contact you, so you can receive it more quickly. How to get your address? If you did not done it before, then go to verification check. Just that's my home, that's my AdSense account, and go to my account, click on the account and click on setting, okay, and here is the option account information. Click on that. Here's my account information, okay. So I'm sorry, it's personal setting, okay. It's my personal setting, my name and everything, and access and authorization, user management, third party, Google Analytics. So going to click user management, okay. Here I am admin. Sorry. I'm just going to click on my payments info, okay. That's all. Payments info. Here is one user. I'm just going to click. Here's all of my data, okay, everything. If I want to edit, I can edit my name and everything here, and the verification check. You can see here's my address that I edited, and I just put my contact number. So if any of the post office member received my parcel from Google, they can contact me easily without any hesitation, okay. Just go to your account and account setting and your account information, and edit your address here, and put your mobile number and the second address line. Okay, here you can see it's my address, and you go to the verification check, payment info, user management. Okay, here you can see it's my updated address. Okay, here you can see my mobile phone number, and here's also my phone number I did in the last. So if any of the post office member receive it, they will just call me. If they cannot reach me, they can ask me where they can send it, or if I can receive it personally, then you have to do this. And the second thing you have to do is to contact your mailing address staff and ask them if they received your parcel in this week, and tell them if you receive any parcel on my name from Google AdSense, from Google, just contact me. It's my number, save it please, and just request them to save your number and remind them after 1 week, after 2 weeks, if they receive it, then you can receive it more quicker. There are 2 ways that you can receive your pen more quicker than before. I hope you are finding our videos helpful. If you have any question or you need any help, you can ask in our inbox or Gmail or WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or any recommended way. Thank you for watching.